Hi there. Let's take a look at how to export information from WIDS to a Word doc so that you can upload it to Blackboard for our assignments. It's a convoluted process. I know, I'm sorry. I just don't have any access to see people's work in WIDS. They just haven't given me that power. So you can see I've already logged into the WIDS system. I'm at the home screen with all of my classes, but not your class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter your class's catalog number here in my search box. I'll search for it. It'll pull it up for me. And so here's what I need you to do. I need you to enter your course's information in WIDS. I want you to click on My PATs or PLAs to load that window. Then at the left, click Quick Prints and click here again. Click where it says PATs or PLAs. Now you can see on my screen, I can't see your PAT, so we're just going to pretend the rest of the steps. You'll see your PAT listed in the window, so select your PAT, choose Refresh Report. That'll refresh this window in the background. You'll see your PAT. Then you choose Export, and then choose whatever one you want. I'm going to recommend you choose Export to Word. That'll download the file. I'm using Google Chrome, so I can see it download, and it'll automatically save it to my Downloads folder. So I'm going to choose this little arrow here and say Show in Folder. So it shows me everything that I've downloaded lately, which is this thing. That's the thing I just downloaded. So now it's sitting there in my download folder, so it's ready for me. I can just upload it to Blackboard. And if you prefer, you could just email it to me. That's fine. I need you to do this for the PATs that you created and the learning plan. Send both of those to me. If you have any questions at all, just let me know. I'm happy to meet you on campus too and walk through this.